Lovely old job. Here we are going on towards Little Langdale. We're at Little Langdale and we are going to photograph this wonderful little bridge which is gorgeous. Reminds me of a kind of fairy tale sort of bridge really, but that's Langdale. Look at that, lovely day today. We've had 2 days of really dreadful rain and it's been awful, but now we've got this lovely weather. Here we are coming down the road, and if anyone hasn't been here before, this is the way we go. So, oh, little Robin. So we go up here, up the stairs here, and go up here. Whew. Oh. It's quite steep up here. Nothing an unfit person like me can't handle though.
How do you find these places, Ian?
Sorry?
How do you find these places?
How do I find them?
Yeah.
Research, books, other people's photography.
It's amazing.
Yes, just
Sometimes it's just
lots of
a
research.
happy accident. Sometimes you just say, what's down there?
That's true.
Or, yeah,
Yeah, sometimes it's just
and,
adventure, seeing what we can come up with.
yeah.
But this particular one is well photographed, and I kind of got it from other people's photos, to be honest. Good afternoon everybody, here we are in Little Langdale in Cumbria on one of my many photo workshops, and it's a stunning place. It is the Lake District, especially in autumn, which is what we are now, November the 5th at the moment, and the colours are looking very nice, very autumnal. All the grasses are orange and red, and you've got the ferns that are red, you've got some lovely trees that have the red leaves on, you've got trees over there with beautiful orange glow to them. Yeah, and Steve's in the front there taking some photos. He's Steve Doctor. Say hi. Yes, precisely. So there we are, fantastic shot by Alison, nice composition, very nice composition, very sharp, focused well, so you've got a lovely image there, and it's full of gorgeous tones and colours. I think you'd be quite proud of that.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to getting it up on the screen.
Yeah, definitely. Hello Ali.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm going.
You're going.
I'm going.
You got your images. There's a master at work in front of me, look. And a lot of people crossing the bridge right now, Steve.
Yeah.
Are you on a long exposure?
No, I just took that off.
Oh, okay.
The red coats.
Yeah, they'll stand out well. And you've got to remember, it's not just ours, it's everybody else's as well. Now, we're going to wrap it up now and say goodbye. And thank you for watching. It's been a fabulous 4 days workshop tour with IR Photo Tours. And yeah, I look forward to look forward to doing more. And this is just one of those sessions we've had. It's been absolutely fantastic. The weather the last 2 days has been awful, but hey, you can't have everything. But even then, we've proved that you can get some fantastic shots even in the rain, which is amazing, really. But there you go. Anyway, thank you for watching. It's been a lovely old job. Please tune in for the next episode. Thank you. Bye bye.